Thanks for checking out PressureWasher.com's Best Pressure Washer of 2022 guide. In front of you here, we have our 6 top picks. We want to quickly walk you through them. Now, our overall favorite is the Simpson Mega Shot, which is right here. This has a Honda engine, 3200 PSI, 2.5 GPM. It's powerful, but not too much power for home and even light business use. We really like these rubberized tires. It makes maneuverability extremely interesting. We bought ours for just around $400. Now, the other option we have here for our heavier duty gas pressure washer is the Generac Electric Start. The current model looks a little different. You do not get a Honda engine like you do with the Simpson, but it does have a few nice features. One is, of course, the electric start, so you don't have to hand crank it. It does have a pull cord if you need it. The other thing here is it does have this adjustable power wand, which people like for dialing up and down the pressure depending on how you're using it. So this is going to give you, this is about $150 more than the Mega Shot, but for someone looking for a few added conveniences, this could be a good option. Let's move over and quickly take a look at our medium duty electric pressure washers. We've got the Sunjoe SPX 3000 on the left. Now this is highly rated. We paid about $180 for ours. It has 2030 PSI and 1.6 GPM. It's got good cleaning power with a 2-year warranty. Now, you can upgrade for about $40 more over here to the AR Blue Clean BC383. You get similar cleaning power, but the packaging of the unit is a step up. This unit folds down into an ultra compact size. Notice some upgrades like built-in cord management and retractable handle and higher quality hose here, as well as rubberized handles on both the gun and the handle for the pressure washer unit. Finally, let's take a look at these light duty pressure washers. So these are both handheld units for ultra portability and storage. The Greenworks on the left is just over $100, or you can upgrade to the K1700 Karcher Cube for about $25 more. We really like the storage setup on the K1700. You can see that it's got this caddy style design where all of the hose and the cord and the turbo nozzle and even the handle can all fold up very compactly. It's got a built-in soap dispenser, so this thing's going to be really great for storing away in your house. There you have it. Here are our top 6 pressure washers. Read on to find out more.